So I was looking up all things pumpkin, and it's the season to incorporate more of these winter squashes into the diet. And I came across a recipe for pumpkin juice. And I think what most people know about pumpkin juice is this popular juice mix from Harry Potter. And that's not what I made. I made a actual like juiced pumpkin from raw pumpkin. And what I discovered is that it is super enriching and cleansing tonic for the skin. And I don't know about you, but I have been eating more sugar and more junk food this past year in this time of interesting circumstances in the state of the world. So a lot more comfort foods, and I can tell my skin's really been affected by it. So I was curious, this piqued my interest. I was like, ooh, I love little beauty tonics. And so I thought I'd try this, and it's really simple. And so I recommend only having this pumpkin juice a maximum of 2 times a week and no more than for a month. And it's just like flooding your body with beta carotene, which is what forms vitamin A, and vitamin A is so deeply, deeply nourishing for your skin and your eyes. So this is just an occasional health tonic. It's not an everyday drink, and it's full of nutrition. So try it out. Let me know what you think, and yeah, we'll see what other kind of interesting pumpkin recipes we can come up with. So we're in the kitchen cooking up some pumpkin. This time we're using a raw pumpkin. We're gonna make a pumpkin juice. Sounds strange, but super nutritious. So first, knock off the stem. We're gonna use this small pie pumpkin and cut it in half lengthwise. All right, so we will just scoop out the seeds, which is kind of a messy process, but you can just use a spoon and a little tension against your thumb and scrape out the seeds. We'll save those for roasting later. And to get the skin off, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can use a peeler if you want. I like to just take a sharp knife and work my way around. The skin is really tough in a pumpkin. So we go ahead and lay this flat like so, and just make some cubes. Doesn't need to be even or pretty because we're just making a juice. So we'll get about, look at that, a cup of pumpkin, 1 lime. Same thing, we just remove the skin. And the lime provides, or lemon, provides the vitamin C. This is a beauty tonic, this pumpkin juice. I don't see any seeds in here, so we'll just pop that right in. And a big thumb of ginger. Ginger is usually measured in thumbs, so this is a big one. Probably use half of that. And for good measure, even though this blender will probably zoom it up, we'll just put that in. Smells like pumpkin soup. All right, so this looks like we could use some more pumpkin. Uh-oh. See, when you cut off the skin with the knife, you risk losing a lot of pumpkin. So you have to really turn your knife along the edge. So you can also use a peeler. It just takes a lot longer. So I like to just get a nice close. There we go. More pumpkin. So just make sure you don't try to cut it in the rolly side, because then it rolls around, woo, and then you can risk cutting yourself. So always use flat side down. Ha, still rolled because it was slippery. It's all right. Once again. Okay. Put another cup of pumpkin in. We blended 2 cups of raw, fresh pumpkin with a thumb of ginger and a whole lime. Use a lemon as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into a fine mesh sieve or strainer. And pumpkin juice.